bitch. I did not mean to say that. Holy cow. Yeah, now if somebody hears that, I'm in trouble. Let's see. I'm recording it now, which is nice. Let me... Oh crap, hold up. Unplugging now. Okay. Ah, God, that hurts. Okay, let's see here. ASMR. I don't know if this works, but I heard it. How about now? Ooh, that sounds a lot better. Oh, Lord. Okay. Ow. That hurts. Come on. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, I gotta get one sock. Yes, I brought a sock, so that way I can muffle out the audio so it doesn't, pick up too much. Speaking of audio, I just not realized that could be... There we go. Much better. Dang, that picked up that too. Just I lightly put it down. Okay. You can even hear me messing with the socks. Okay. Over you go. This thing, testing, 1, 2, 3. It's been 2 minutes since I've been recording. I have done absolutely jack shiza. Trying to tighten it up because this thing gets really loose. Okay, there we go. It should stay pretty still now. Oh yeah, baby. I like this audio. Shoot, actually, this thing's not bad. I didn't expect it to be, this freaking loud though. Ow. That hurt a lot, especially with these headphones on. What to do? Let's see. You can even hear me type in the freaking audio, or not audio, type on my phone. I want to talk about something a little bit. This stuff is so loud. I can't wow, this thing picks up everything. Hold up. How about now? This one? Or this one? Ooh. This one's a lot better. Actually, no, it's not. This one's a lot better. I think this one's better, but it has more of an echo. Or it sounds like I'm further back than I really am. I'm right in front of it. This one doesn't sound too bad, but it sounds like the very first one I was using. How about this one? This one, I would say, is pretty good. Actually, yeah, this is actually this the last setting that I have it on is pretty good. Yeah, but it still picks up the table tapping. Okay, so this is just the mic with the vibrations, just like that. Anything else I need to change? Ooh, I just had to be like right under it and then get my mouth really close to it like this. Okay, I need to get away from it. Freak. Ah. I like messing with this thing. I never really did mess with the mic a lot. I could record a lot of stuff with this. I don't even feel like editing videos. I just, and yes, I'm putting this on YouTube. You got me messed up if I'm not gonna put this on YouTube. I think this is really, hold on a second. You're joking me, right? Gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh man, really? I had that background. That was in the background the whole time. Oh god, that hurt. Let's just pick it up. I need to test the audio. This is good. This is good. Maybe. I want to get to where it sounds like I'm practically in the same monotone voice. That's well, not monotone, but like just sounds like there's like another me right next to me talking at the same level. I think I'm fine with this. I just can't slap on the desk or anything like that. Let's see if I said something. Yeah, it really just picks up any like tapping. Okay, so I said it's enough. I have done absolutely nothing with myself when it comes to making videos, and you know, let me restart. I feel like I have done absolutely nothing with myself when it comes to just life in general. And I am really close to the point in my life where I need to make a huge decision. What's going to be my career, what I'm going to do with myself. I don't even have a real job. I I don't even have a real job. I literally just babysit my nephews and I get paid. And I find that to be very pathetic for myself. And I don't feel good about that at all. I honestly don't like that about myself. And I say that a lot, and I've told a couple people that are close to me, my friends, obviously, that I don't really like it. I haven't told anyone in my family that other than my brother that's in my family. That I don't like getting paid by family members to watch, well, their kids. Well, my nephews. Don't want to say kids. Like, I don't know them. But yeah, I don't see myself to be really, don't see myself really, I mean, I don't see it to be a really good, honorable way with honor. I don't see it to be very honorable to be, working like that. Some people might say that's good money though. I get good money from it. I'm not gonna lie. If I told anyone how much I got from it, and I don't want to because I feel like that's just like even worse. It's like wow. Not only don't you don't have to literally get up at a certain time of the day, go out, and drive or walk to like let's say this is where most of my friends go to. These are the ones I can think off the top of my head. Kroger's, Walmart, Subway. My friend that I know really close, or not really close. No, we're close because I know he's gonna watch this. Works at Qdoba, and yeah, it's like I want to, you know, work. I want to know what it's like, so I don't have to be. It just feels like a necessity. I need to do it because if I don't do it, then I just look like a lazy bum, which I really do feel like a lot. And this is why I'm doing this. And yeah, I just feel really pathetic about not really having a real job. I feel like this is just like a part-time job. But yeah, um, other than me not feeling good about where I stand with work and what I'm doing with my life, I haven't really gotten my driver's license. I just want to be really open about that too. If people do decide to watch this, I don't have my driver's license yet, and the first thing I remember when turning 16, legal age of being able to drive, is that, well, you're like most of my friends on their birthday, that like the people that I knew got their license the day they turned 16, like like that. And I was like, wow, you guys really want to drive. And I'm thinking to myself, I need to do that because then I'm gonna look like a bum not doing it. I'm gonna look stupid. It's like, why didn't you get your license right away when you turned 16? It's like the best thing in the world. It's like, yeah. And part of me says I'm not scared, which I tell myself that a lot. But to be honest, I am pretty scared of driving. Even though once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't be that bad. And another thing is, I just never took the initiative to do it myself, to learn, to take like the pre-tests and all that. I done a little bit of it. I done it like once or twice, and I just gave up because I was lazy and a little scared. Like if I really go through with this, I'm gonna have to I have like the abilities to drive people around town like my brother. And I'm not saying I don't like that idea of it. It's just I don't want to have that huge responsibility. It's scary knowing that you can cause a car crash or something like that, or you could be in one and then you're gonna completely ruin like I don't even know like the logistics of it either. That's another thing. I'm not very well educated either when it comes to cars. But yeah, don't have a real job, don't have a car, or don't have my license. Sorry, I can drive a car if I really wanted to. Well, not really wanted to. I'm not saying I, drove in a car without a license because I never have, because that's illegal. And yeah. What else to talk about? I've been recording for like 13 minutes already. First, like, what is it? First, like, 7 minutes was just me testing the mic. That'll be enjoyable to some people. testing, 1, 2, 3. I sound stupid. Whew. Man, I went out of breath because of that. But yeah, that's a little bit of the things I don't like about myself. Things I do like about myself. Let's do that. Yeah, we're gonna inflate my ego. I'm gonna stop a little bit because I got this wire. Just a heads up, if anybody does listen to this, I'm recording this at 3 in the morning. I am freaking insane when it comes to this crap. Jeez, when I just think, you know what, I had enough of my bull. I'm gonna do this at this time at night and completely screw over my sleeping schedule even more. Actually, I might as well add that to the list of things I don't like about myself. My sleeping schedule is god awful. I am I flip flop. I flip flop a lot with my sleeping schedule. It sucks. I can go a whole month. I'm not a whole month, but I can go about like 2 to 3 weeks of going to bed at 4 in the morning or 3 in the morning. Actually, no, between 1 and 4 in the morning. And I hate it so much. I really don't like it. because I know when I stay up past 1, I know this, like the exact moment when I look at my phone and like, what time is it? And I see it says 1 o'clock in the morning, I freaking groan. Because I know I'm gonna stay up even longer than I should because I take a long time to prep myself to go to bed. And my friend Sean is gonna see this and he's gonna find out that I didn't stay up playing or stay up in this call I was in with him, and he's gonna get pissed off. But sorry, I was really trying to fall asleep, and it didn't work out. But yeah, sleeping schedule is really bad, and I usually can't fall asleep once it passed like 12. Yeah, I'm going back even more. Like 1 or 12 or 4 in the morning, because like I said, it takes a while for me to go to bed, prep myself, get all cozy and that right position. Because if anybody walks in the room, I'm gonna lose it. It's like, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? Which obviously nobody's gonna tell you to do that, and that late at night. So there's the perk of that. But it's really bad when it comes down to it. And obviously, when it's 4 in the morning, I can't really prep myself because I'm so, I'm like extremely tired by that time. It's like, why bother even prepping myself? Just flop, get into a position wherever feels somewhat comfortable and go to bed. So yeah, sleeping schedule, complete crap. What else can I talk about? I was gonna talk about how great I am, or how what I like about myself. I would say the one thing I do like about myself is I don't want to say I'm approachable, because I get this a lot. I look like a I don't want to, make it seem awful and make it like, oh, he maybe is one. Because I am going to put this on YouTube, and I really do want to, get some of this. But I get this a lot. I look like people say I look like a murderer when I have a resting face. I look like I'm going to hurt someone. And it's really hard for me to be, like, approached by people in general. Now, that during that time when people did say that to me, I matured a little faster than most people. Obviously, many people mature faster sometimes. It happens to all teenage boys and girls. And I have not full, but I have a nice mustache, a little what we call a chiva, a little set of hair on the bottom of my chin. Have these sideburns that are out of whack, and I need a shave soon. Actually, I'm thinking about asking for a haircut, and then possibly just going back to blank face, not blank face, but just baby face, which I do like. I did it once, and that's when I was dating, and yeah, I was iffy about the baby face. Obviously, I did it for her because she asked me, what would you look like if I was babyface? And I was all for it. And it was like, I think Christmas Eve or something along those lines. I knew it was in December, but I did that, and I liked it. I'm not gonna lie, I did like it a lot, because I didn't have to worry about keeping my face all shaving every like twice a week or once a week, and my hair, my mustache. Now, right, like especially now, it's like touching my lips, and it's so annoying. And I'm on like the brink of actually like shaving again, and just saying, let's go get a haircut. I'm tired of this. And not only that, masks are a pain, and I think that goes for anyone that has facial hair. That wearing a mask now is like so aggravating, and obviously people get used to it, but I never get used to it. Obviously, I still wear a mask because I'm not, I listen to what I'm told. And yeah, It's annoying having facial hair, and I just really don't like it. But I got completely sidetracked. Now that I'm, telling myself this. So yeah, I'm really hard to approach because of my resting face, and obviously I look like a murderer with my facial hair. At least that's what I think some people said as a joke, and I kind of like I didn't take it to heart, but I just like that stuck with me. Not like, oh man, I actually feel like a murderer. I'm not murderer, but like it kind of hurt me. Not like that, but just it's like, that's funny. People think I'm a murderer. I'm like semi nice. And that's another thing. I'm a pretty likable guy to be around and to talk to, even though I have very little to talk about. I think I'm just like a good what is it? I'm trying to think of a word that could suit me when it comes to being like in a group. I'm just gonna make it flat out simple. I'm just a good guy to have around. Just a good guy to have around in general. It's like I do get a lot of people asking me to join them in like events, and I am very anti-social, and I'm not afraid to admit it because I know I am. I'm in my third year of high school, and I am still pretty shy talking to people, or being, yeah, I'm just pretty shy being around people, and I'm surprised that a lot of people really do like having me around and like inviting me to places, and I'm not saying that I'm not saying like I don't like it. I just I don't think I'm the type of guy you would want to have around because I have very little to talk about, and that's what I tell myself all the time. You have very little to talk about. You can be semi-relatable when it comes to games, of all things games. Way to go, you know? But I like talking about, TV, but not many, that can be a short subject when it comes to people. And that's why I feel like I'm, a good guy to have around. And that's why I think some people, like me. I completely forgot why I like myself. I just rambled on. This is just a whole ramble audio sesh. And yeah, if anybody does, listen to this, this is just me going on about, me, because I decided to take action. I might do probably one every 2 days or so, like one every other day. So this one's gonna. But I want to do a lot of these. Right now. What I'm doing is just testing the audio to see if it will work properly, and when it if it does sound pretty good on the other end, I'll upload it. And yeah, this is just gonna be the true test of this is just gonna be like a raw audio sesh, first time, because I don't want to prep up for anything, because when I prep up I get a little nervous, and then I'm like, oh man, I gotta do this right, and then I screw up and I start panicking. Not even like 20 minutes ago I was trying to do the exact same thing I'm doing right now, get my audio recording started, and I thought, why don't I use like a software app, or not software, but the software on here, and I sent my email, signed in with my email, and I was like, okay, cool, and then I realized it's for music, because I'm an idiot and I didn't bother to read what the what the software was for, and now I'm like, okay, I want to delete my account because I don't want it on there, and I don't want them taking my data when it's unnecessary, and I'm starting to get really cautious about this now. So I'm just wanting my account deleted, I send an email asking for my account to be deleted, and then they said to me that we'll contact you this Monday, and I am a little annoyed. Oh yeah, and it's Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Honestly, I don't even care about Valentine's Day that much. Obviously, everybody has that like one Valentine's Day that like, oh man, it's so depressing. I don't have no one to be with that call my own. I had that. I not gonna get into detail, but it went south at the end, and yeah, didn't really end so good for me. Not saying I did something bad, just in my case, it was not good. I'm not torn up about it now. Trust me, if anyone that I know personally or know in person hears this, just know I'm not torn up. I'm fine right now as we speak. I'm just, being forward with all this. Man, this thing's been going on for 26 minutes long. And I have absolutely nothing. I want to put like gameplay behind this too. I don't want to just make it just raw audio. Because if it is, it's going to be freaking long. I like talking. To open air of all things. You know what? I'm gonna be straight up. I'm gonna no. This is something I have kept to myself, and I've told my ex before. But I like talking to myself. Well, I used to. I don't do it anymore. But before I got really, when I started opening up to more people, being chill, actually talking, I would talk to myself while I played the game. And, it seems weird, right? I bet some people do this, but, to me it feels like it's just like a me thing. And I never really, told anyone though. I just felt really insecure about that. But, if I really want to do, what I'm doing now, just recording audio sessions and, probably putting gameplay behind it, I want to get somewhere with this, and I want people to feel like let people know that I'm open to them. And if I ever do garner an audience that would love to, that cares about me making videos, I really want them to know. I don't want to know my whole past. I don't want to know every single detail of my life. Obviously, you want to keep some privacy, but I want them to know about me. This ramble session has been going on for 28 minutes. Dear Lord. Man, this white screen, I have Windows open right now. Yes, I'm recording my audio on Windows, and it's been going on for like so long. I probably have completely droned off so long that I, forgot about other subjects and topics that I was talking about. I'm not even gonna name this like a specific name. I'm just gonna put down me rambling for like how long I ramble for. And I like rambling, and that's what I did. I ramble to myself a lot when I talk to myself, or used to. Okay, you know what? I should probably cut this off soon. I'm gonna record for another 3 minutes because I don't want to, make this extremely long. 30 minutes. I don't think nobody wants to listen to me for 30 minutes, and I know I don't, because I'm gonna sound awful, but I had to do what has to be done. But this I gotta actually think out to myself right now. So I'm kind of quiet and not quiet at the same time. So if I go like dead silent, it's because I'm thinking to myself. Okay. I have somewhat of an idea of what I can and like what I can do. I can and can't. I can do kind of whatever I want on here on YouTube. Um, so I'm thinking about doing commentary. There's a lot of commentary channels, and I would say it's semi easy to get picked up when it comes to commentary. I really enjoy commentary videos. It's probably the one type of, like the only thing I like watching on YouTube, like on like any time of the day. Obviously, gameplay videos and all that, or just you know being with friends. But since it's Corona, I don't think. And my parents, yeah, my parents are still very strict about having people over when it comes to Corona. So I'm here, and I can't do anything about that. So, what I'm thinking is I can do commentary on things that I think some people might want to hear and things that I want to do. So it's gonna be both. I'll list the three things on the top of my head that I would like to do, and right now I'm literally watching a documentary. So I'll do like, and then I'm not saying like I'll commentate on documentaries because that will be boring. Commentating on a documentary, that's just boring. I'm saying out loud. So commentating, commenting on movies. I guess like a little movie review. Secondly, gaming, because come on, why not? God. And current topics, and I'm not saying like world topics. I'm more talking about like internet, something that is light and not too controversial, because something I'm a little nervous about if anything like this does happen, is that I can get too controversial or talk about something that's controversial and then I had to like really defend myself. And once again, I'm not really well educated and I don't want to have to be put in a spotlight of like, okay, what's your defense? And it's like, I'm sorry. Like that. It's like, I didn't mean to say that. Like something like those something like, yeah. Something along those lines. Yeah, see, I'm just getting nervous even thinking about that. Imagine if I actually do. I would freaking have a heart attack. Calm down. But yeah, those are the three things that I'm thinking on the top of my head that I can do and probably get someone with. I'll probably do all three as it is. Because I like movies, I like games, and I like just commenting and, seeing it. Like commenting on current internet topics. And I think it's cool. I think that's A-okay. And obviously you gotta find really light subjects. I gotta do my research, and I am willing to do that. I just had to remind myself, and then most likely after this, no, not most likely, definitely after this, I'm going to set a schedule for when I have to, do audio sessions, what I'm gonna do it on. I had to plan ahead, and yeah, I won't have a bare bones schedule down. Like, oh, Mondays are going to be gaming commentary. Tuesdays are going to be, or not Tuesday, Wednesdays are going to be movie reviews, something like that. Because I can't really, tell what I'm going to review. And I'm going to be really, really straightforward when about this. I am really, I don't think I'm really reliable when it comes to what I say or, anything. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I just did this on a whim and I really want to do this. I like this a lot. I like, having the audio, then, having the background gameplay and all that stuff. I can probably put it in right now if I really wanted to, but it's going to be dead quiet or, pretty, quiet in the background for the most part because I don't have anything playing other than my TV in my living room that is like on like volume 2. But yeah, I kind of have a setup, not setup, like computer. I'm talking about like I have a setup of what I need to do and what I should be doing, because this mic, it has been collecting dust. And when I looked down from my bed and saw that the gift that I got for my birthday, that was supposed to be for me actually pursuing or doing YouTube videos and all that, was collecting dust, I was like, you know what the hell am I doing? I should not be doing this to a gift that was meant for me to do something that I was really passionate of wanting to do. Or not passionate, just really wanting to do. I really want to do this, and I don't want to stop now, and I'm gonna do my best to keep pumping these videos out, and I really want to, because I am tired of sitting on my butt all day and not doing anything with myself. And that is the end of the audio session, and I hope for everyone that has listened to this video, I hope you enjoy the first real taste of me in this channel. I guess you can go on ahead and watch the first video that's on my channel, which is just me and my friend Liam playing Jump Force. And hope you'll have a good day. I guess Valentine's Day, because I'm going to post this on Valentine's Day. And I hope I can, because I'm probably going to have to do some stuff. Well, what am I going to do on Valentine's Day? It's a Sunday. But yeah, hope you all have a good Valentine's Day, if I do release this, or Monday, because I'm going to try to release this as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next audio sesh.